Yeah, I'm at this train learns about times, and this also before doesn't look like a clock, but now it looks like a clock. Now that this is a clock that is very similar to our clock now. And also this clock is a weight clock, and also there's this clock. This is a pendulum clock, and also there's a lot of clocks here. And yeah, this clock is like when you go to your grandpa's, that like you can see this clock. And also here, there's a lot of clocks here too. Yeah, this clock is really similar to our clock now, but our clock doesn't have a box in it. Yeah, and also here are a lot of clocks. So I'll see you in the next part.